Today we're making Korean traditional royal food Tteok Galbi. I'm using 1.2 kilograms of minced pork. You can use minced beef or combine both minced beef and pork. Tteok Galbi is like a patty, but it's more flavorful. First you need 1 onion, 1 apple, half green onion, and a spicy pepper. An onion and an apple softens the meat and gives natural sweetness to. A hot pepper will take away the bad smell of the meat and will also give a very. If you're not a fan of a spicy food, don't worry at all. After you cook the meat, you won't taste the. Chop the ingredients into big sizes. We're just going to put everything. My daughter really loves Tteok Galbi because it's very soft and it's very flavorful. I've seen a lot of foreigners enjoy eating Tteok Galbi as well, so I really recommend you to. It's easy and time saving because you just need. Let's pour it onto the meat and we're going to put the rest of the. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. It gives a very beautiful color, dark color. If you don't have it, you can just omit it. 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of jochung or honey, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and 2 tablespoons of garlic. 3 to 5 tablespoons of glutinous rice powder. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. If you don't have it, just put soy sauce. I'm just using a regular spoon and a teaspoon to measure it. After putting all the ingredients, you just need to mix it well. By the way, if you don't have a glutinous rice flour, you can just use cornstarch or potato starch. Glutinous rice flour helps to keep the juiciness of the meat inside. It's the key ingredient to make the Tteok Galbi very soft. It's time to taste the meat, cook a bite size, and adjust the saltiness and sweetness to your likings. Make it into a ball and slightly press the meat. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius and bake for 25 minutes. You don't have to flip it halfway. You can just eat it now or fry it on the pan one more time to make it more delicious. I like to make it golden brown, just hear the sound of the sizzling. I like to put crushed walnut on top. It looks better and it tastes better. I toasted some dried seaweed. It's really tasty. The crunchy sound and the aromatic smell fills the room. It's really healthy for you and it has no seasoning. The glutinous rice flour, onion, and apple marinade makes Tteok Galbi very soft. My family enjoys having healthy food on the table. I hope you enjoy your meal by making the Tteok Galbi.